Next. Come on, this hand. Remove it. What is your name again?
Scholar.
Scholar. Are you sure you're a scholar? Turn, let me see. Scholar. Okay, congratulations. Great home.
Next. And the Chinedu. Anom heaven kita na anom heaven cheri nwete data ka mkwachi ga-azụ. Chinedu, cheri godi anom heaven.
Where you even see network where they use this call? Bia, Angel Gabriel. Cut the network in this hall. Ha! Young man, what is your name again?
Sabi boy.
Sabi boy.
Yes.
Sabi boy.
Yeah.
You never sabi anything. Number one. I don't know. Wait, which they look Nyash for heaven?
Yeah, Nyash is life now. Nyash
you
is
can't
life.
come here, see. Now even my data you connect to my hotspot. Number 2 offense. Number 3, man, your name no even dey here.
Guy, my name dey that system. Man. Check and where.
Go that side. Follow. See that man we carry bag. Follow him. They go there. That's where you belong. Go that side.
To God who made me. If next life na me go be angel, and if I see you for here, say you dey come. In fact, na hell you go direct.
Hell.
You know, no interview for you. Na hell you dey go direct.
Hell.
No wahala.
Come, wait. Give me this phone first. Give me this phone. Go that side. Hell. Next.
It's my turn, no.
Hey, stop there. Go back. Go back. That thing will not work here. It doesn't work here. It doesn't matter in heaven. What is your name again, sir?
My name is Mazi Ikukawmanoya. One. OJ, I got the one you made a shape. 2.
Yes. As people like you don't go to heaven. As I'm looking at you now, I don't even know if you're a man or a woman. Your profile here is showing me. I'm seeing you tying rapper here. Are you transgender?
Yeah! I'm a titled man. Me. 9. You check the name again. Capital N. You see it. 9. Check. I don't have time. I'm about to go for a meeting. Do sharp.
It's like you're joking with me. All of you, go back. We're close. Come back tomorrow. Angel Gabriel. Off that jail. Off light. Everybody go tomorrow. We're close. You go to hell.
My son, what's that your name again?
Sweet boy.
Sweet boy. Even in just sweet boy will not make heaven.
Fast man. This one man ain't like the hell well. Let me go and rest in my father's house. Sorry, come on, open the gate.
Chaka has never disappointed me.
Hey, you made heaven. Please, Nai.
All these small boys angels. You don't know me.